Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we learn about before, after, between numbers. Okay. So before going to that, first we have to learn the numbers from 0 to 10. Okay. So repeat after me children. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So here also I wrote and the number line 0 to 10 numbers. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. In the last video I already told about the definition of the number line, how we write the numbers on the number line. Okay. So in this video we have to practice how to write, how to identify and write the number that is before, after and between numbers. Okay. So before means what? So for example I already wrote here 2. Okay. So here is I draw one line. Okay. That is before means, so here we have to write this line the left side, left hand side. Okay. So on the number line here is the 2. So before 2 means it is going up, going up. So before 2 what comes here? That is 1. Yes, 1. Okay. So look here. Going up 2. Before 2 that is 1. Number is a 1. Okay. So next is the 3. So on the number line here is the 3. Okay. So before 3 what comes? So here that is number 2. So before means going up. Here also 3 going up. Okay. Before 3 what comes? 2. Okay. Very good. Next 5. So on the number line where is the 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here is the number 5. So before 5, so come back here. Okay. So here 5 going up, that is 4. Before 5 what comes? 4. Okay. Next 7. So here is the 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Before 7, so before 7 what comes? That is 6. 6. Okay. Then 1. So before 1 that is 0. Okay. Then 4. So before 4 that is 3. So then 6. Again here is the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before 6, 5. Okay. Next 8. So here is the 8. Before 8, so that is 7. Next 9. Before 9, that is 8. So before means going up. Okay. So here before 7 that is 6. Before 6 that is 5. Okay. Then before 9 that is 8. Okay. Next after. So after means, so here I already wrote the left, that is right handed side. So after I wrote the one line here, that is left, that is sorry, right handed side. Okay. 1. So after 1, so here, so means, so go, so down, it comes from down. So for example here is the number 1. So 1 after what comes? 1 after, that is number 2. 1 after, that is 2. Okay. Here 1 after, so coming down. 1 after 2. Very good. Next 0. What after 0? That is 1. So that is coming down. So 1. So after 8, So here after 8, so after 8 the 9, after 4 5, so 5 after 6, very good. 7 after, so here coming down, that is 8. So after 9, that is 10. Okay. So after 6, 7. Okay. After 3 after what? The 4. That is 4. Okay. So next, between numbers. Okay. So here between means the middle of two numbers. Okay. So here for example I wrote here 0 and one line. So here I also wrote 2. So in between these two numbers 0 to 2. So check in the number line. So here is the 0 and here is the number 2. So between these, so what comes between number, that is the middle number is the 1. So middle number is 1. Yes. 0 to 2, what comes between 0 to 2? 1. Okay. Next 1 and 3. Okay. So here is the 1 and here is the number 3. So in between this, what number comes between 1 and 3? That is 2. Okay. I wrote 2 here. Okay. Next, between 8 and 10. So between 8 and 10. So between 8 and 10 what comes? That is 9. 9. 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next, between 5 and 7. So between 5 and 7. What comes here? 6. So between 5 and 7, the middle number is 6. Okay. Next, between 3 and 5. Between 3 and 5. So here is the 3 and here is the 5. Okay. Between 3 and 5 what comes? That is 4. Number 4. Okay. Next, between 4 and 6. Okay. Here is the number 4 and here is the number 6. Between these 4 and 6 what comes? That is number 5. 4, between 4 and 6, that is 5. Okay. Next, between 7 and 9. Okay. So here is the number 7. Okay. Here is the number 9. So between 7 and 9 what comes? That is 8. Number 8. Okay. So like this we have to practice the before, after and between numbers. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching children. Bye bye.